All right, we're back. So another Will It Mix. We're doing some. What are we doing today? Obviously, the big bag's sitting in front of us.
Cheetos!
I love Cheetos, so
Give me.
I need some. You can't eat this, by the way. Disclaimer: you cannot eat the Cheetos. We're gonna mix it into our clear slime. We're gonna mix it into our white base slime. Mix this. Let's see what it says. I'll get the clear. Come back, give me one more. Give me one, please. I do love some Cheetos. Ready?
Yeah. What are you doing?
We're gonna mix the Cheetos in the slime.
I'm spectating.
I see that. You gotta do the white base. Can I get some Cheetos, please?
Good lord. Good lord.
I want to make sure I got enough. You know, it's Cheetolicious. That's what we should call the slime, Cheetolicious. We get copyrighted on that, probably. Cheetolicious. You're doing two, one, two. Okay. 3, 4. You do you. You do you. let's try to make sure.
Oh.
It's got some. Actually, the crunches are pretty freaking cool. I like it. Definitely mixing. Just turning mine orange. And it didn't turn it sticky, which is a good thing. I feel like I need some more Cheetos though. I just want to like squish all the Cheetos that are inside this.
Like when somebody hands you the bubble wrap.
Oh, bubble wrap. This is probably on the same level. How'd yours mix? Did it do pretty good?
Yeah.
Did pretty good.
There's some little specks in it.
I think it definitely is an experience, to say the least. The crunches and like just sitting here with my thumb, squishing all the Cheetos. Oh, there's one. I have not experienced that yet, so that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Will it mix? Yeah, I think it will. It was cool actually.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if this is up there with the Doritos one that we did. I like the Doritos one. The Doritos one was really, really great. It's just different because of how the Cheetos mixed into the actual slime. So yes, it will mix pretty good. It's actually pretty good. Here. It smells terrible. The coffee one that we did was really good. The smell on the coffee one was amazing. If you haven't checked that one out, definitely go check that video out. All right, so will it mix? Yes. Yeah.
Should it mix? No.
Probably not. Can you eat it? No, you cannot eat this. It will make you sick. Anyways, we appreciate all the likes. We appreciate all the follows, all the subscribers. Man, you guys are amazing. And we hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Give me one.